obtained from more than 2 chromosome sets of different, bolo,
Alternative forms of a given gene.
correct, alternative forms of a gene. So that is the first one. Allele may be defined as one of the alternative forms of the genes. The science dealing with heredity is known as cytology, cytohistology, embryology, genetics.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
The science dealing with heredity is known as cytology, cytohistology, embryology, genetics. Anybody? Nobody? What is genetics? Define genetics. वापिस हो गए, एक डोज देती हूँ, 2 से आंसर दोगे फटाफट, फिर वापिस हो जाते हो. I'll read the question, I'll answer myself. I'll read the question, I'll answer myself now. That is the only option left. Otherwise, I'll not be able to finish. So many questions that I just see. How am I going to finish if only 2-3 questions you are going to do in 15-20 minutes? $105. They are going to finish out then. 105 उधर, 95 इधर, 200 तो हो गया. कर पाओगे 200? ये 200 उसमें से और है, ये नेक्स्ट चैप्टर का. उसका कितना है? उसका भी nearly 200, 400 questions. Very good. The science dealing with heredity is known as genetics. As a result of linkage and crossing over, chromatid becomes chromosomes, nuclear divisions comes to close, chromosome become half in number, exchange of chromosomal material. As a result of linkage and crossing over, there is exchange of chromosomal material. The term given was coined by, the term gene was coined by Bateson, Johnson, Punnett, Darlington. It is
Bateson.
Johnson. नहीं, Bateson नहीं, Johnson. Next, Mendeliism was rediscovered by D. Veris, Correns, Teschmark, D. Veris, Correns and Teschmark.
D. Veris, Correns and Teschmark.
Correct, all 3 of them. A dihybrid ratio is 9:3:3:1, 1:1:1:1, 3:1, 1:3:9:3.
9:3:3:1.
Correct. 9:3:3:1. Mendel studied 7 contrasting characters for his breeding experiments with Pisum sativum. Which of the following characters did not study? Mendel studied 7 contrasting characters for his breeding experiments with Pisum sativum. Which of the following characters he did not study? Pod color, pod shape, plant height, leaf shape.
Leaf shape.
Correct. The crossing of a homozygous tall plant and a homozygous dwarf plant would yield plants in the ratio of 2 tall is to 2 dwarf. A homozygous dwarf, all heterozygous tall, 1 homozygous tall, 1 homozygous drop and 2 heterozygous tall. A crossing of a homozygous tall and a homozygous drop plant would yield plants in the ratio of,
F1 generation ना तो all heterozygous tall.
my dear,
Oh.
ratio बोला है, F1 में
हाँ,
ratio
हाँ.
नहीं आता है. Correct? Think twice what you're answering. You're aware about this answer. लेकिन problem होता है thinking capacity, and that should be very fast. F1 में आपको सब एक ही प्रकार का मिलेगा, तो ratio तो है ही नहीं. That is hybrid variety. That when it is undergoing selfing, what do you get?
1:2:1.
Perfect. So that is what is mentioned over here.
Hmm.
1 homozygous tall, 1 homozygous drop, and 2 heterozygous tall.
Yes.
Correct? क्योंकि जो आपने पहला आंसर दिया था, that is tall, वो तो है ही नहीं इधर ऑप्शन में. देखो 2 tall is to 2 drop बोला है. दूसरा ऑप्शन है all homozygous drop, all heterozygous tall. Correct? All heterozygous tall can be considered as answer, but that is not a ratio, na?
Yes.
So you have to answer about the F2 generation over here. Agreed? या तो फिर नहीं वही आएगा, यहाँ भी नहीं आएगा, इधर वही आएगा आंसर. That is 1:2:1. The year 1900 AD was highly significant for genetics due to option: principle of linkage, rediscovery of Mendelism, discovery of genes, chromosomal theory of heredity. The year 1900 AD was highly significant for genetics due to principle of linkage, rediscovery of Mendelism, discovery of genes, chromosome theory of heredity. Anybody?
Rediscovery of Mendelism.
Correct. Rediscovery of Mendelism. Genotype means genetic composition of plastids, an organ, germ cell, the individual.
The individual.
The individual. Perfect. Continuous variations are attributed to crossing over, chromosomal aberrations, polyploidy, mutations.
Can you repeat?
Continuous variations are attributed to, बार-बार variation कभी होता है? Crossing over, chromosomal aberrations, polyploidy, mutations. First.
Mutation.
Nobody? No. Continuous it is. Mutation is not continuous. और वो होगा नहीं होगा किसको पता नहीं है वो. Crossing over, Prachi, you are correct. Crossing over. Continuous variations are attributed to crossing over. Among the following, the test cross is option A, capital T multiplied by capital T. Option B, capital T crossed with capital T small t. Test cross ध्यान में रखने का. हाँ? Option C, capital T small t crossed with capital T small t. Option D, capital T small t crossed with small t. Among the following, the test cross is
D. Small t.
What small t?
The option number 2.
My dear, options are capital T in crossed with capital T. Capital T crossed with capital T small t. Capital T small t crossed with capital T small t. That is C option. Option D is capital T small t crossed with small t. Sneha, you are perfect.
Yes.
Where? What? Yes.
It is with the homozygous recessive when we cross, that is a test cross.
Okay. मगर मेरे को ऑप्शन नहीं बताया माय डियर. आप यस खाली बोल रहे हो. आप स्नेहा ही हो?
नहीं, कीर्ति.
So you have to tell me the option, my dear. Sneha has written the option. I told her you are perfect. Are you all able to see their options also or what?
No, ma'am.
No, then you have to give me the option. You are telling me your explanation is perfect. You have to tell me the option, right? Is it clear? You are
Option
perfect.
number D.
Option D. instead of 14. In what way his interpretation would have been different? Instead of 7 characters, if he would have studied 12 characters instead of 14 with 12 chromosomes. ये तो 7 characters थे, 7 chromosomes थे, लेकिन अभी 12 chromosomes instead of 14. ये 7 characters 12 chromosomes में 14 के जगह पे. Correct? What would his interpretation would have been different? Option A, he would have discovered crossing over. Second option, he would have discovered blending or incomplete dominance. Option C, he would have proposed that genes are carried on chromosomes. He would have, last option, he would have not discovered the law of independent assortment. Abhi kaisa hai? 7 characters on 7 chromosomes, that is 14 chromosomes are there. In pairs, the characters are always there. So 14 characters on 14 chromosomes, each chromosome 1 character. But supposing it is 7 characters, but 12 chromosomes, there has to be an option that 1 chromosome may be having more than 1 character. If that could have been there, then what would have been different? His interpretation, how would it would have been different? Either it could be he would have discovered crossing over. Mendel ने ये discover किया होगा. दूसरा option है he would have discovered blending or incomplete dominance. ये भी Mendel ने शायद देखा होगा. Third option है he would have proposed that genes are carried on chromosomes. Fourth option, he would have not discovered the law of independent assortment. Bolo.
D.
Perfect it is. He would have not discovered the law of independent assortment. क्योंकि अगर जो आप Drosophila melanogaster का याद रखते हो, even after being a dihybrid cross, it shows the ratio of monohybrid cross. Why? Because of the crossing over or the linkage. The closer they are, the crossing over cannot take place. The moment they are far, the crossing over take place, the ratio changes. ऐसा. Next, from a single ear of corn. वो भुट्टा एक है ना भुट्टा, उसको ear of corn बोलते हैं. From a single ear of corn, a farmer planted 300 kernels, which produced 225 tall and 75 short plants. The genotype of these offsprings are most likely to be. ये offsprings का genotype क्या हो सकता है? Capital T and capital T small t only. Capital T and capital T only. Capital T and capital T small t only. Last option is capital T, comma capital T small t, and last but not the least is and small t. ऐसा.
Last option D.
Perfect, because it is a monohybrid cross, and the ratio over there for the monohybrid cross is 1 pure tall, 1 pure dwarf, and 2 hybrid tall. So the ratio is 3:1. Accordingly, the genotype is this way. Correct? The geometrical device that helps in visualizing all the possible combinations of the male and the female gametes is known as dash square. Correct? Morgan, Punnett, Mendel, Bateson. The geometrical device, perfect dear. Prachi, you're perfect. Sakshi, you're perfect. The geometrical device that helps in visualizing all the possible combinations of the male and the female gametes is known as dash square. Morgan, Punnett, Mendel, Bateson. Huh? Who answered right now? Punnett, perfect. My dear, your voice is feeble, very feeble. Huh? Please increase your volume. 2 allelic genes are located on. 2 allelic genes are located on. Options: 2 homologous chromosomes having 1 each. Second option: 2 non-homologous chromosomes. Third option: any 2 chromosomes with 1 each. And the last option is same chromosome. Two allelic genes are located on. Bolo. No answer?
2 homologous chromosomes.
2 allelic genes are located on option A. 2 homologous chromosomes having 1 each. Second option, 2 non-homologous chromosomes. Third option, any 2 chromosomes with 1 each. Fourth option, same chromosome.
2 homologous chromosomes having 1 each.
Perfect, dear. Perfect. Prachi also perfect. After self-pollination, perfect, Sneha. After self-pollination of red flowered plants, 10 plants out of 40 plants of the progeny were white flowered. This indicates that plant is heterogeneous, heterozygous, homogeneous, homozygous.
Heterozygous.
Heterozygous, perfect. Haploids are used for mutation studies because in them all the mutations, whether recessive or dominant, are expressed as option A. There are many alleles of each gene in each cell. Second option, there are 2 alleles of each gene in each cell. Third option, there is only 1 allele of each gene present in each cell. And the fourth option is none. Haploids are used for mutation studies. Haploids, यानी one set of chromosomes, are used for mutation studies because in them, all the mutations, whether recessive or dominant, are expressed as option A, there are many alleles of each gene in each cell. Option B, there are 2 alleles of each gene in each cell. There is only 1 allele of each gene present in each cell.
C.
Perfect, dear, perfect. Last option was none, so I did not tell. An exception of Mendel's law is dominance, purity of gametes, linkage, independent assortment.
Linkage.
Perfect, dear. Prachi, you're wrong. Prachi, wrong. Hai. It is linkage. Exception of Mendel's law is this linkage. An individual with 2 identical members of a pair of genetic factors is called hybrid, homozygous, heterozygous, dominant.
Homozygous.
Homozygous.
Perfect, dear. Perfect. Red, in brackets, capital R, perfect, Sakshi, is crossed with white, that is small r, small r. All the capital R, small r offsprings are pink. This is an indication the R gene is options recessive, incompletely dominant, mutant, dominant.
Incompletely dominant.
Perfect. It is incompletely dominant. I'll read the question once again. Red, in brackets, it is given the genotype of it. Capital R, bracket closed, is crossed with. Perfect, Prachi, perfect. वो screen से हटेगा तो आप is crossed with white, small r, in brackets, that is. All the capital R, small r offsprings are pink. This is an indication the capital R gene is recessive, incomplete dominant, mutant, dominant. It is incompletely dominant. Perfect. Let's go further. If the plant is heterozygous for tallness, the F2 generation has both tall and dwarf plants. This proves the principle of aggregation, purity of gametes, dominance, and independent assortment. Last one is independent assortment. I saw. D option is independent assortment. If a plant is heterozygous for tallness, the F2 generation has both tall and dwarf plants. This proves the principle of aggregation, purity of gametes, dominance, independent assortment. Bolo.
Dominance.
How dominance?
Like because there was the gene for short plants also present in that, but it was not seen. But in future we saw it.
But that is not said to be dominating, no? You could see it in the future. Why you could see it? Even after being together for one generation, they did not merge, no? They got separated.
Independent assortment.
Independent assortment तो dihybrid के लिए है, monohybrid के लिए है ही नहीं वो. See, the 2 characters, capital T and small t, were together for one whole generation. Perfect, Prachi. Perfect, perfect, Sakshi. There is purity of gametes or law of segregation. Second law. Capital T, small t, even after being together for whole generation, they got segregated at the time of gamete formation. Perfect. Once again, if a plant is heterozygous for tallness, the F2 generation has both tall and dwarf plants. This proves the principle of aggregation. अभी इधर लिखा है purity of gametes. Segregation भी हो सकता है rhyming word के लिए. So that is also perfect answer. Correct. Then dominance, independent assortment. So answer is segregation or purity of gametes. Agreed? One of the following is not a technique in hybridization. One of the following is not a technique in hybridization. Bagging. Second option, interspecific crossing. Third option, intraspecific crossing. Fourth option, emasculation. बोलो.
Intraspecific crossing.
Intraspecific crossing, perfect. A useful process for determining whether any
question, please. Again.
one of the following is not a technique of hybridization. In hybridization, what you do? You have to see other species also, na? So same species में तो नहीं हो सकते ना? So that's the reason why the correct option was intraspecific. One of the following is a not of technique of hybridization. Hybridization में आप क्या करते हो? Artificial breeding ना? उसमें emasculation तो होता है artificial में. Bisexual flower में से male character निकाल देते हो, that is emasculation. The flower is made as a female flower. उसको बाद में आप पॉलिथीन बैग लगा देते हो, that is bagging. अभी उसी प्लांट का पोलन ग्रेन नहीं डालते हो, दूसरे डायरेक्ट पोलन ग्रेन आप डालते हो, so it is interspecific.
Yeah.
Correct or no? It is interspecific. It is not intraspecific. वही फ्लावर का, वही दूसरे फ्लावर का, वही प्लांट का तो नहीं ले रहे हो ना, कैरेक्टर वही है, बट यू आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम सम अदर प्लांट. इंटरस्पेसिफिक नॉट इंट्रा. वही प्लांट पे से नहीं, दूसरे प्लांट से ले रहे हो. तुलसी का प्लांट तुलसी का पे, लेकिन आपकी कुंडी का नहीं, मेरे कुंडी के तुलसी के प्लांट से ले रहे हो. So it becomes interspecific, not intra. So intraspecific is not a character of hybridization. Question is this way: one of the following is not a technique in hybridization. Correct? Bagging वो तो है ही है टेक्निक. इंटरस्पेसिफिक क्रॉसिंग वो भी है. करेक्ट. इमैस्कुलेशन वो भी है. क्या नहीं है? इंट्रास्पेसिफिक क्रॉसिंग. अभी मैंने बताया तुलसी का एग्जांपल. तुलसी तो तुलसी है, लेकिन मेरे इधर की तुलसी और आपके इधर की तुलसी में भी फर्क है. If I am taking care, my tulsi is like a bushy appearance. Your tulsi is tall. So the plants में से आपने male character निकाल दिया. Now you are waiting for the pollen grains to be deposited on that stigma. So which pollen grains you want? You want to have a bushy tulsi plant. And in that particular case, you will tell me that give me those pollen grains or give me the inflorescence so that I'll dust on my this female flowers. Correct? So that is interspecific, not intra. इंट्रा होता तो सेम प्लांट में से आप लेते थे. ये इंटर है. You understood the difference between the two? See, this way it is. Inter, intra. अभी इसमें हो सकता है स्पीशीज हो या जीन्स हो. इंटर स्पेसिफिक यानी कि दूसरे स्पीशीज का. इंट्रा स्पेसिफिक यानी कि सेम स्पीशीज का, सेम प्लांट रादर. Same way, if it is interspecific, it could be intrageneric. Same genus, Ocimum santalum. Same genus है, Ocimum santalum. So intrageneric. But if it is totally different genes also, then it will be intergeneric. How you have inter-division competition, intercollegiate competition. But that inter-division competition, you can call it as intra-competition. करेक्ट हो नो? आपके खुद के कॉलेज का ही है ना कंपटीशन, तो आपके डिविजन्स का ही है. गर्ल्स वर्सेस बॉयज का इंट्रा कंपटीशन among the students. Inter competition among the students means I'm taking other divisions also. You understood now the difference between inter and intra. Interfascicular cambium, ये मेरा है cambium. Interfascicular cambium यानी कि इधर का. Intrafascicular cambium यानी कि vascular bundle का cambium. दो वैस्कुलर बंडल के बीच में जो केमियम है वो इंटरफेसिकुलर है, वैस्कुलर बंडल के अंदर है वो इंट्रा है। अभी समझ में आया दोनों चीज, इंटर एंड इंट्रा? आई एम आस्किंग यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यस और नो? Agreed? Okay. Okay. Useful process for determining whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous is crossbreeding, back crossing, self-fertilization, inbreeding.
Ma'am, repeat the option.
A useful process of determining whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous is crossbreeding, back crossing, self-fertilization, inbreeding. No answer?
Self-fertilization.
How can that be self-fertilization, my dear? In self-fertilization means what? Self-pollination. उसमें आपको थोड़ी मालूम पड़ता है क्या है सही है क्या गलत है, आपको थोड़ी उसमें मतलब पता चलता है वो होमोजाइगस है कि हेटेरोजाइगस है। हेटेरोजाइगस है तो हेटेरोजाइगस ही देगा, होमोजाइगस है तो होमोजाइगस ही देगा, तो आपको पता थोड़ी चलेगा कुछ भी। यू वांट टू चेक whether the individual is homozygous or heterozygous. तो चेकिंग किस में कर सकते हो, टेस्टिंग किस में कर सकते हो?
Back cross.
Perfect. The right answer over here would be test cross. But since that option is not given of test cross, the back cross can be considered. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
The offspring of a cross between two individuals differing in at least one of the characters is called polyploid, mutant, variant, hybrid.
Hybrid.
Perfect. Mendel was lucky to use pea plants for genetical experiments because options. They showed one type of flowers. Second option, they belong to the family Leguminosae. Third option, the 7 characters he studied were on different chromosomes. Fourth, they have round seeds with lots of proteins.
The 7 characters he studied were on different chromosomes.
Perfect, perfect, because of which he was successful. If two opposite alleles come together and one of them, of the two, finds expression and marks the other, this effect is explained as law of options, dominance, segregation, limiting factor, inheritance.
Ma'am, repeat.
If two opposite alleles come together and one of the two finds expression and marks the other, this fact is explained as law of options, dominance, segregation, limiting factor, inheritance.
Dominance.
Perfect. If the cells of an organism for two pairs of genes represented by capital A, small a, capital B, small b, undergoes meiosis, then the possible genotypes of the gametes are options: capital A, capital B, small a, small b. Second option, capital A, small a, capital B. Third option, capital A, capital B, comma, capital A, small b, comma, small a, capital B, comma, small a, small b. And the last option is data insufficient. Bolo. If the cells of an organism has for two pairs of genes represented by capital A, capital B, small p, undergoes meiosis, then the possible genotypes of the gametes are capital A, capital B, small a, small b. Second option is capital A, small a, capital B. Third option is capital A, capital B, capital A, small a, capital B, small a, small b. Data insufficient is the last option.
C.
C option, perfect. If a pure tall plant is crossed with a pure dwarf plant, the ratio of the pure tall is to pure dwarf in the F2 generation after selfing, F1 plants will be
1:1, pure tall and pure dark.
perfect, 1:1. The basic mechanism of hereditary transmission is chromosome mitotic mechanism.
Sexual reproduction.
Perfect. Phenomena of like begets like is due to genetics, heredity, germplasm variation.
Heredity.
Heredity. Perfect. The breeding between closely related organisms. The breeding between closely related organisms. Options: reduces dominance, increases variation, increases dominance, none. The breeding between closely related organisms.
Options.
Reduces dominance, increases variation, increases dominance, none.
Reduces variation.
Reduces variation option नहीं है.
So increases dominance.
Correct. Reduces dominance, increases variation, increases dominance, none. Option C.
Increases dominance.
Okay. Which of the following? Only one girl is answering. Others are all listening or what? Quietly. किधर है प्राची, साक्षी, वेदिका? Please answer, my dear friends. The following variations are temporary and have nothing to do with the last or the next generation. Which of the following variations are temporary and have nothing to do with the last or the next generation? Hereditary variation, B is discontinuous variation, C is environmental variation, and D is none.
Repeat.
Which of the following variations are temporary and have nothing to do with the last or the next generation? Options: hereditary variation, B discontinuous variation, C environmental variation, and D none.
Discontinuous variation.
No, it is environmental variation, has nothing to do. Discontinuous variation वापस भी हो सकता है ना, वो वेरिएशन अभी कंटिन्यू नहीं हुआ, नेक्स्ट टाइम उसको पार्टनर मिलेगा तो हो सकता है वापस आ सकता है वो. Correct. So which of the following variations are temporary and have nothing to do with the last or the next generation? That is environmental variation. Correct. Now supposing my parents and all were staying in a posh locality. All of a sudden, due to some financial crisis, we had to leave from posh locality and come to some area which is, you can say, like huts and all such things. Correct. So in that particular case, when I am growing up, my atmosphere is like a village type atmosphere. Each and everything, tiny things, पे issues are there, fighting is there, we have not done this, I have not done this, ऐसे करके. Means what? My character got changed. Why? Because of the environment. And that has got nothing to do with the last generation, with my parents' generation. That has got nothing to do with my next generation, my children. Because supposing if I am getting married and going into posh locality, I will change myself. Correct or no? So accordingly, it has not got anything to do with the last or the next generation. What? The environment factor. Correct or no? This is what is mentioned over here. An organism with two identical allele of a gene in a cell is called identical allele. Homozygous, heterozygous, hybrid, dominant.
Homozygous.
Homozygous, perfect. The main reason for the success of Mendel was that he made statistical analysis of the offsprings. First one. Second, first took only one character at a time in his process. Third, kept pedigree record. Fourth, selected pea plant. The main reason for the success of Mendel was that. What was the success?
Option A.
Option
A.
Option A is made statistical analysis of the offsprings. Is it perfect?
Yeah.
No. He first took only one character at a time. That is the correct answer. मेंडल ने सारे कैरेक्टर साथ में नहीं लिए थे, वो एक एक टाइम पे एक एक कैरेक्टर लिया था. हाइट लिया तो खाली हाइट लिया, शेप लिया तो खाली शेप लिया. Correct or no? So he took one character only at a time for his crosses. That is why he was successful.
But he even did dihybrid crosses.
But dihybrid cross कभी किया? जब भी इंडिविजुअल मोनोहाइब्रिड किया उसके बाद में डायहाइब्रिड किया ना.
हाँ.
Correct or no? Then he could keep the statistical record.
Okay.
Statistical record कभी किया? जब भी क्रॉस किया उसके बाद में, तो you cannot say directly a statistical analysis. Agreed? जब भी हम लोग देखो, मैं डायहाइब्रिड का दिखाती हूँ आपको क्रॉस, ये वाला मैं दिखाती हूँ 3:1 3:1 क्रॉस पर, यानी कि ये मेरा एक मोनोहाइब्रिड है, दैट इज टॉल एंड ड्रॉप, ये मेरा दूसरा मोनोहाइब्रिड रेशियो है, तब मैं मिलाती हूँ ना. Correct or no?
Yes.
Then only I can get the answer. So at a time he has taken only one character. Later on he did two characters, wanted to see what is happening. So he said that law, that is of independent assortment. ऐसा करके. The characters were free to choose their partners. ऐसा. If you can recollect, I told you all, this is Sir, this is Sanket, this is me, this is you, this is me, this is you. Correct? I could go along with Sir, you could go along with Sir, I could go along with Sanket, you could go along with Sanket. Correct? So they were independent to choose their partners. ये एक कैरेक्टर है, ये दूसरा कैरेक्टर है, पर ये इंडिपेंडेंट था. Yes or no? See this part.
Yes, ma'am.
They were independent to choose their partners.
Yes.
So that is what the second law, the third law he put forward, na? So first he took only one character at a time. Correct? In his process.
Yes.
That is why he was successful. The term factor was used by. The term factor was used by whom? Options: Mendel, Cornish, Bateson,
Mendel.
Gerson. Mendel. In all of the Mendel's experiments, the two alleles causing a triad were codominant, co-recessive, incomplete dominant, dominant and recessive.
Ma'am, repeat.
In all the Mendel's experiments, the two alleles causing a triad were codominant, co-recessive, incomplete dominant, complete and recessive, dominant and recessive.
Dominant and recessive.
Perfect. When a tall and red flowered plant, was crossed with a drop and white flowered plant, tall and red, capital T, capital R, crossed with small t, small r. Correct? White flower. Phenotype of one of the progeny was dwarf and white. What will be the genotype of tall and red flowered plants? A cross. बोलो.
It could be capital T and capital R, or it could be capital T, small t, capital R, small r.
Correct. Okay. When a tall and red colored flower, individual with a drop and white colored flower. Correct. ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन है. दूसरा कॉम्बिनेशन ये आ सकता है. Correct. Flower individual. Phenotype of one of the progeny was dwarf and white. What will be the genotype of tall and red flowers? अगर जो आप ये देखते हो तो आपको 1:1:1:1 ratio मिलता है. If you are getting this ratio, one of the individuals is this, dwarf and white. So in that particular case, if you're getting this particular thing, then the genotype of the tall and red would be a hybrid tall and red. capital T, small t, capital R, small r. क्योंकि वो क्लियरली मेंशन किया ना मैंने, टॉल एंड रेड फ्लावर्ड इंडिविजुअल, ये नहीं बोला होमोजाइगस है कि हेटेरोजाइगस है, was crossed with dwarf and white flowered. It could be either this or it could be this. Correct? Phenotype of one of the progeny was dwarf and white. अगर जो इसमें से आप करते हो क्रॉस तो आपको ड्रॉप एंड वाइट तो नहीं मिलेगा, इसमें से क्रॉस करते हो तो आपको खाली ये मिलता है टॉल एंड रेड, तो डेफिनेटली इट हैज टू बी दिस ओनली. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर जो मैंने डोमिनेंट लिया क्रॉस विद रिसेसिव, आई विल गेट अ हाइब्रिड dominant characters. I will not get any recessive character. But when I'm taking a hybrid crossed with a recessive character, I am getting a chance to get a recessive character in the generation. Do you all
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
with this?
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am.
So that is what they have asked then. What? When a tall and red flowered individual was crossed with a dwarf and white flowered individual, phenotype of one of the progeny was dwarf and white. What will be the genotype of the tall and red flower parent? The genotype of the tall and the red parent would be this. तभी तो मेरे को ये मिलेगा ना एक कैरेक्टर. Because when I'm crossing this with this, see, इसका क्या आएगा? Capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r, crossed with small t, small r. जब ये होएगा तभी मेरे को ये मिल रहा है. करेक्ट? अगर जो मैं ये क्रॉस करती हूँ तो मेरे को ये वाला मिलता है. ये तो बोला ही नहीं है ना उन लोगों ने हाइब्रिड.
Yes, ma'am.
उन लोगों ने क्लियरली बोला one of the offsprings is this. So when will I get one of the offsprings? When I'm crossing a heterozygous or a hybrid plant with a recessive character. That is nothing but your test cross. Yes or no? Do you all agree with it?
Yes.
Okay. If a red flowered plant is crossed with a white flowered plant, the hybrid is red flowered. Correct? Capital R crossed with small r, you are getting the hybrid. Which is red? We know that because red is dominating. If one of the F1 hybrid is cross-pollinated with white flowered, if this is crossed with this, the percentage of white flowers plants will be 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%.
Ma'am.
Bolo. Perfect, 50%. An offspring from a cross between two pure individuals differing in at least one set of chromosome characters is called monohybrid, polyploid, mutant, variant. Bolo. My dear, I've come till 45 questions. I have to finish 50 questions at least from here. क्योंकि आगे का और कितने सारे questions दिए, खाली monohybrid hybrid तक आया. Time will not permit us to do so many questions.
Ma'am, would you please repeat the question?
An offspring from a cross. Who is this? Please mute yourself. An offspring from a cross between two pure individuals differing in at least one set of characters is called monohybrid, polyploid, mutant, variant.
Monohybrid.
Perfect. The validity of F1 hybrid is determined by options: breeding brothers and sisters of the F1 generations. Second option, back crossing one or more F1 individuals. Third option, test crossing one or more F1 individuals. Fourth option, producing larger progeny. The validity of the F1 hybrid is determined by Bolo.
Test crossing.
Test crossing, perfect. The validity of the F1 hybrid is determined by test crossing one or more of the F1 individuals. In a dihybrid cross with which follows Binder's principle of independent assortment, the total number of genotypes obtained in F2 generation will be, total number of genotypes obtained in F2 generation will be 4, 9, 16, 27. Bolo. If you can recollect, we had that particular thing. Monohybrid में we had 3, so 3:1. Dihybrid में 3 square. Trihybrid में 3:3. Tetrahybrid में 3:4. Pentahybrid में 3:5. ऐसा, तो ये it is 3, here it is 9, here it will be 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3 is 8, 28, 12, 148, if I'm not mistaken, mera calculations, 27 into 3, nahi, 21, 1 and 2 carried, 6, 81, sorry, 148 nahi, 81, and then 81 into 3, 3, 243, so on and so forth, correct? अभी आप मेरे को बताओ, in a dihybrid cross which follows Mendel's principle of independent assortment, the total number of genotype obtained in the F2 generation will be what? 4, 9, 16, 27. 9, perfect. How you all could see, it is, the ratio is what? 1:2:1, is to 2:4, 2, 1:2, 1. Perfect. Calculate it how much? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Perfect. Are you like understanding? Okay. Next. If a dwarf pea plant was treated with gibberellic acid, it grew as per the pure tall plant. If this treated plant is crossed with a pure tall plant, the phenotype ratio of the F2 generation is likely to be options: all tall, all dwarf, 50% tall, 50% dwarf. Last option, 75% tall and 25% dwarf.
75% tall and 25% dwarf.
Correct, perfect, perfect. Because it is just changing the phenotype, not the genetic makeup.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
If a dwarf pea plant was treated with gibberellic acid, a hormone, it grew as tall as the pure tall pea plant. If this treated plant means gibberellic acid treated plant, is crossed with a pure tall plant, ड्रॉप प्लांट को ट्रीट किया, उसको लंबा किया है, वो लंबे प्लांट को प्योर लंबे प्लांट से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, the phenotypic ratio of the F2 generation is likely to be, options were all tall, all dwarf, 50% tall and 50% dwarf, and last option is 75% tall and 25% dwarf. So the answer here is monohybrid ratio, tall into dwarf, you'll get 3:1, that is 75% tall and 25% dwarf. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Mendel is said to be lucky in discovering the laws of heredity because the characters he selected showed linkage, incomplete dominance, complete dominance, crossing over. Answer bolo. Mendel is said to be lucky in discovering the laws of heredity because the characters he selected showed options: linkage, second option incomplete dominance, next option complete dominance, and last option crossing over.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Complete
Mendel is said to be lucky in discovering the laws of heredity because the characters he selected showed
complete dominance.
correct, complete dominance in a cross between a pure tall pea plant with a green pod and a pure short pea plant with yellow pod. Two characters he has given, a tall with green pod, one character, second one short with yellow pod, second character. Correct? Tall with green pod and dwarf with yellow pod is crossed. Have how many short plants out of the 16 you would expect in the F2 generation? Options 9, 3, 1, 4.
9.
How 9, my dear? Short plants पूछा उसने.
Oh, sorry.
यानी कि ये वाला. अगर जो ये आप क्रॉस करते हो तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? आपको ये डैश 9 मिलता है. आपको ये डैश ये वाला 3 मिलता है. करेक्ट। आपको ये डैश ये वाला 3 मिलता है, आपको ये वाला 1 मिलता है। ध्यान में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 9:3:3:1 ratio, diagonal cross. When I cross this, अभी इधर ये लिया ना अपन ने, चलो इधर मैं लेती हूँ कैपिटल जी स्मॉल जी, क्रॉस करो तो आपको क्या मिलता है? 9 कैपिटल टी स्मॉल जी कैपिटल जी इज टू 3 स्मॉल टी कैपिटल जी इज टू 3 कैपिटल टी स्मॉल जी इज टू 1 स्मॉल टी स्मॉल जी। करेक्ट। लेकिन अभी इसने क्या पूछा अपने से? In a cross between a pure tall pea plant with green pod and a pure short plant with yellow pod, how many short plants out of 16 you would expect in the F2 generation? खाली short पूछा है, short यानी कि आपका ये वाला
4.
और ये वाला कैरेक्टर रहना चाहिए, तो it will be answer would be 4. 9, 3, 2, 1 will be 4. अभी समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी वैसे ही वो लोग ग्रीन भी पूछ सकते हैं। Green will be what? 9 and 3. Correct?
Yes.
That is will 12. वैसे ही ये भी पूछ सकते हैं, येलो भी पूछ सकते हैं, तो that will be 3 and 1 4. वो लोग टॉल भी पूछ सकते हैं, again that will be 9 and 3 4 12. मोनोहाइब्रिड डायहाइब्रिड को मोनोहाइब्रिड में पूछा उन लोगों ने। Is it clear? Have you all understood, my dear friends? Or is it confusing?
Understood.
Hello? Have you all
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Okay, can we proceed further with the next chapter now? I'll stop here. 50 तक हो गया ये. Because I will allot 1 hour for this and 1 hour for those additional questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. One of the ratio is constant for DNA of a particular species. A upon G, A plus G upon T plus C, A plus T upon U plus G. C option is A plus C upon G plus T. D option is A plus U upon C plus G plus C. Bolo. One of the ratio is constant for a DNA of a particular species.
A plus G upon T plus C.
Upon
T plus C.
T plus C. That is the first option. Perfect it is. Go to the next one. One of the following is a purine base. Find the odd man out. या तो one of the following is a purine base or find the odd man out. Cytosine, thymine, uracil, adenine.
Cytosine.
My dear, purine base.
Can you repeat the option?
My dear, you have DNAs having purines and pyrimidines. Name the purines. Bolo. Name the purines and name the pyrimidines.
Adenine and
Bolo, adenine and you have not read the chapters only, I think. सच बोलना, आपने पढ़ाई किया है? Honestly बोलो, my dear friends.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should be able to understand. Tell me the answer, my dear. ये तो 11th standard से करते आ रहे हो आप. Way back when I was teaching you inside the classroom, I taught you all. Offline में ये सिखाया था ना मैंने क्लास के अंदर. Yes or no? अभी आंसर बोलो. Which are the purines and which are the pyrimidines? Name some purines and name some pyrimidines. Very bad preparation, my dear. It's at the neck for all the examination and your preparation is this way. अब मैं क्या करूं बताइए? मैं पढ़ती जाती हूँ, आंसर देती जाती हूँ, जो समझा समझा, नहीं समझा बाढ़ में जाओ। क्या? व्हाट एल्स टू डू? अभी कुछ तो मुंह तो खोलो। पढ़ाई किया तो आंसर तो आना चाहिए ना माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। हार्डली 1 month इज लेफ्ट फॉर योर। सितंबर को एग्जाम है ना अभी।
Ma'am, adenine and guanine will be purines, and cytosine and thymine will be pyrimidine.
हाँ, एंड व्हाट अबाउट यूरासिल?
Yeah, that will also come in pyrimidine.
ओके, ना यहाँ पे मैंने पूछा है फाइंड द ऑड मैन आउट और वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ प्यूरिन बेस। क्वेश्चन ऐसा है, कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, दोनों नहीं आएगा, डोंट वरी। अगर जो फाइंड द ऑड मैन आउट है तो इधर साइटोसिन, थाइमिन, यूरासिल एंड एडेनिन है, तो इसमें से ऑड मैन कौन सा फाइंड आउट करोगे?
एडेनिन।
अभी ये क्वेश्चन होता है डेटा इनसफिशिएंट। ये क्वेश्चन अगर जाए तो डेटा इनसफिशिएंट। कैन यू मेक आउट हाउ? Am I right in that?
No.
No, it is perfect. The question is perfect. Tell na.
Yes, ma'am. Because we just have to find the.
Yes, the question is, yeah, the question is perfect.
Yeah.
The question is totally perfect. Do, if they have said find the odd man out, they have mentioned as cytosine, thymine, uracil, adenine. But why did I say it is data insufficient? The reason behind that is, मेरे हिसाब से यूरासिल भी हो सकता है, मेरे हिसाब से थाइमिन भी हो सकता है। अभी क्यों? क्योंकि ये लोग ने वो मेंशन नहीं किया डीएनए के आरएनए है। अगर जो डीएनए है तो ऑड मैन आउट इज यूरासिल, आरएनए है तो ऑड मैन आउट इज थाइमिन। Yes or no? Agreed. Now, the first question which was there is, one of the following is a purine base. One of the following is a purine base. So cytosine, thymine, uracil and adenine दिया है. So which is the purine base over here? So your answer over here is perfect adenine. My dear, think twice before answering. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And these types of questions which are there, you can always remember them. Keep a note of these questions in your mind, so that if at all when your results are coming out, you can counter question. And this is said to be the benefit of doubt there. जैसे मैंने पूछा खाली find the odd man out. Guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil, all are nitrogen bases. तो इनमें से odd man out क्या है? तो किसमें आपको फाइंड आउट करने का ऑड मैन आउट? डीएनए का ऑड मैन चाहिए क्या आरएनए का ऑड मैन चाहिए? अगर जो डीएनए का है तो यूरासिल नहीं होना चाहिए, अगर जो आरएनए है तो थाइमिन नहीं होना चाहिए। Yes or no? Do you all agree with me or no now?
Yes, ma'am.
So there you all have to be alert little bit. अगर जो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन है, one of the following is a purine base, तो yes, you are on the safer side. खाली प्यूरिन पूछा है उसने तो बस यू आर ऑन द सेफर साइड। बट फाइंड द ऑड मैन आउट बोला है तो आंसर कुड बी एनीथिंग। द आंसर कुड बी एडेनिन आल्सो, द आंसर कुड बी यूरासिल आल्सो, द आंसर कुड बी थाइमिन आल्सो। If it is find the odd man out, the answer is adenine. Why? Because purine, adenine is a purine. Find the odd man out. If I'm saying uracil, yeah, because they've asked in the question as DNA. Find the odd man out, and I've marked as thymine because they answered the question as asked the question as RNA. You understood the difference of the questions, my
Yes,
dear friend? Okay. Next, a nucleotide is, sorry, a nucleoside is sugar plus base, sugar plus phosphate, sugar plus base plus phosphate, phosphate plus base.
Sugar plus base.
Correct. A nucleoside can be converted to nucleotide by adding options.
Phosphate group.
Perfect. A nucleotide can be converted to nucleoside by removing.
Phosphate group.
Very good. Nitrogen base is devoid of dash. Carbon, phosphorus, hydrogen, both B and C.
Carbon, nitrogen, and ma'am, options.
Nitrogen base is devoid of carbon, phosphorus, hydrogen, both B and C.
Carbon and phosphorus. No, sorry.
It's nitrogen
It
base.
does not have.
So nitrogen base is devoid of what?
Phosphorus.
Perfect. Perfect. Next is, one of the following is common to both DNA and RNA. Ribose, thymine, uracil, adenine.
Ma'am, repeat.
One of the following is common to both DNA and RNA. Ribose, thymine, uracil, adenine.
Adenine.
Perfect. Ribose is present in RNA, not in DNA, because in DNA it's deoxyribose. Correct. Prachi, you're wrong. Thymine is present in DNA, not in RNA. Uracil is present in RNA, not in DNA. They are saying one is common to both. The answer is adenine. हाँ मैम अभी बोलते हो लेकिन मिस्टेक कर देते हो बाद में क्या? Carbon atoms of the pentose sugar involved for phosphodiester bond formation in DNA are in DNA and RNA are C1 to C5, C3 to C5, C2 to C4, C5 to C3.
C3 to C5.
हाँ? Phosphate किधर अटैच रहता है? Phosphorus. Phosphorus is on which carbon position? आपका DNA का स्ट्रक्चर है ना, आपका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूले. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then इसको phosphorus आता है. Correct or no? The next one will be C3. So it is 5 to 3 it is, not 3 to 5. Is that clear? It is 5 to 3. That is C5 dash to C3 dash.
Okay, ma'am.
Agreed. Carbon atoms of the pentose sugar involved for phosphodiester bond formation in DNA and RNA are 5 dash to 3 dash. ऐसा. Nitrogen bases on DNA are, or find the odd man out. ATUC, AUGC, UTGC, ATGC.
ATGC.
Perfect. Distance between two successive base pairs of DNA is 3.4 Armstrong, 34 Armstrong, 340 Armstrong, 3400 Armstrong.
Uh, 0.34 Armstrong.
Correct. It is 3.4 Armstrong. Next is girth or diameter or thickness or width of the DNA double strand is 10 Armstrong, 20 Armstrong, 34 Armstrong, 44 Armstrong. बोलो. Girth or diameter or thickness or width of the DNA double strand is. आपको याद है मैंने बेल्ट निकाल कर किया था, हम लोग ने वाइंड अप किया था. एक रूलर के ऊपर
Options, ma'am.
ऑप्शंस are 10 Armstrong, 20 Armstrong, 34 Armstrong, 44 Armstrong.
10 Armstrong.
No. No, Prachi, no. That is the length of one helix.
0.34.
That is nanometer. You're converting it. That is not the way. My dear, thickness of the DNA. ये जो है ना, किधर गया मैंने बनाया था, इसको अटैच होता है A, इसको बाद में T, इसको फिर ऐसा. तो ये थिकनेस कितना होता है? आपको ध्यान में होगा, मैंने बेल्ट लेके किया था, एक बॉय को बोला था या गर्ल्स को बोला था मेरे को वेस्ट बेल्ट देना. याद आ रहा है? धुंधला सा क्लासरूम में किया था वैसा मैंने, और वो मैंने वाइंड अप किया था एक रूलर के ऊपर, इमेजिनरी एक्सिस. It is 20 Armstrong, my dear. Agreed? In DNA
Yes,
double
ma'am.
helix, the two strands are options coiled around a central axis, second run parallel, third coiled over protein, fourth coiled over each other.
Coiled around a central axis.
Correct. No, Miss Prachi, you're wrong. Prachi, you're wrong. The one who answered verbally right now was perfect. Nucleic acids were discovered by Watson, Crick, Mischer, Beadle. It is there in your textbook, I know that. If you all have read it right in the beginning, some pus cells and all such things. ऐसे करके. And who observed these pus cells first?
Mr.
Perfect, Mischer. Next, length of one DNA helix is dash Armstrong. 10, 20, 34, 30. Huh?
34.
Perfect, 34. One of the following has 4 pyrimidines. One of the following has 4 pyrimidines. Correct? अभी pyrimidines आप गिनते जाना, मैं जैसे जैसे अल्फाबेट्स बोलती जाऊंगी वैसे वैसे. ऑप्शन A, GATCAATGC. ऑप्शन B, UAGCGGUAA. Option C, AGCCTAAGG. And option D, ACUAGACAA. One of the following is having 4 pyrimidines. बोलो कैसे स्टार्ट करने का है? इसमें कितना है पायरिमिडीन? आपने बोला था ना मेरे को पायरिमिडीन्स कौन से हैं? प्यूरीज और A and G. And pyrimidines were T, U and C. तो किधर किधर ये है? TUC देखने का है. TC इधर 4 है, इधर UC इधर 3 है, इधर CCT 3 है, इधर CUC 3 है. So the one of the following is having 4 pyrimidines. Option is A. Next, double helix model of DNA was proposed by Nirenberg, Coren, Watson, Crick. Okay. A DNA with unequal nitrogen bases would most probably be single stranded, double stranded, triple stranded, 4 stranded.
Single stranded.
Single stranded. DNA is a basic genetic material was proved by options Griffiths, Watson, Boveri and Southon, Hershey and Chase.
Ma'am, repeat.
A DNA with unequal nitrogen bases. Sorry. DNA is a basic genetic material was proved by Griffiths, Watson, Hoover and Sutton, Hershey and Chase.
Hershey and Chase.
No. Pahila, basic genetic material was proved by basic. Transforming principle किसने डाला था? Griffiths, perfect. A DNA molecule, a DNA nucleotide chain has AGCTT, CGA sequence. The nucleotide sequence of other chain would be.
Ma'am, can't see. Can you put it?
TTCGA sequence. The nucleotide sequence of the other chain would be. इधर का sequence मेरे को दो. ये मेरे को है. इधर का sequence चाहिए. बताओ. You give the answers. DNA है.
TCG.
TCG.
AA.
AA.
GC. T.
T. Okay. Now you have to listen to the options very carefully. Option A is GCT. Second option is TCG. Third option is TAGCATAT. Prachi, perfect. And the last option is GATCCTAG. Sneha is also perfect.
Option B.
Option B, perfect. Characters are transferred from parents to the progenies through options A, DNA, B, RNA, C, protein, and D, phospholipid.
DNA.
DNA, perfect. Watson and Crick are known for the discovery that DNA is
Double helix structure.
Options are single stranded. B option is double stranded. Perfect, your my dear. C option is having deoxyribose only. Correct. And the last option is template for rRNA synthesis. Next is base sequence on one strand of DNA is GCATG. GCATG. Replicated complementary DNA strand has options GCATG, second option GCATC, third option CGATAC, fourth option ATGCG.
Ma'am, would you repeat the question?
Base sequence of one strand of DNA is GCATG. GCATG. This is the one strand. Correct? You have to find its complementary. Replicated complementary strand has. Bolo. GCATG. Second option GCATC. Third option CGTAC. And fourth option is ATGCG.
So, ma'am, there is replication going on in the other strand, which is opposite to this strand that they have given. And we have to find the replicating one, correct?
We have to find the complementary of this. वो replicated word खाली आपको confuse करने के लिए दिया है.
अच्छा हाँ तो
इससे क्या pairing होगा GCATG से?
Option C.
Option C, perfect. Because G के साथ में C, C के साथ में G, A के साथ में T, T के साथ A, and here it is C. So option C is perfect. For replicated word खाली confusion करने के लिए डाला है आपको. Okay. Next is double hydrogen bonds occur in DNA between options adenine and thymine, uracil and thymine, adenine and guanine, thymine and cytosine.
Adenine and thymine.
Perfect. Nucleic acids are made up of dash. Nucleotides, nucleosides, amino acids, proteins. Nucleotides, okay. Hydrogen bonds between cytosine and guanine are dash. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Three.
Hydrogen bonds, correct. One of the following is true for Watson and Crick model of DNA. It is duplex with options 10 base pairs and 34 Armstrong distance of every turn, 10 base pairs and 3.4 Armstrong distance of each spiral, 20 base pairs and 34 Armstrong for each turn, none of these. No answer?
Ma'am, what's the question?
One of the following is true for Watson and Crick's model of DNA. It is duplex with option 10 base pairs and 34 Armstrong distance of every turn, 10 base pairs and 3.4 Armstrong distance of each strand, 20 base pairs and 34 Armstrong for each turn, none of these. Bolo.
20 base pairs and 34 Armstrong distance for each turn.
Now the following is a true for Watson and Crick's model of DNA. It is duplex with. मैं ये duplex बोला है, so it has to be 10 base pairs. तो आंसर सही नहीं है फिर. Answer none of these आएगा. Data is insufficient. See, if you're taking 10 base pairs, then 34 Armstrong distance of every turn बोल रहा है. एक ऑप्शन वो है. दूसरा ऑप्शन है 10 base pairs with 3.4 distance of each spiral. वो नहीं है. 34 of each spiral it is. Then 20 base pairs and 34 Armstrong per each turn. वो आपको सही लग रहा है, but provided वो DNA molecule बोला. ये क्या बोलता है? Strand का duplex बोल रहा है. One strand को complementary form the other strand. ऐसा. None of these. The answer is none of these. Nucleotide base present in DNA and not in RNA is. Nucleotide base present in DNA and not in RNA is cytosine, uracil, thymine, guanine. Thymine. Correct base pairing in DNA molecule is cytosine, uracil, adenine, thymine, thymine, guanine, thymine, uracil.
Adenine, thymine.
Correct. One of the following ratio is constant in DNA of different species. A plus T upon G plus C. Next option, A plus G upon T plus C. Third option is A plus C upon T plus G. Fourth option is A plus U upon C plus G. Perfect. Next option, next MCQ. The base sequence for a nucleotide segment. The base sequence for a nucleic acid segment is given as CAG, AGG, CGA, CCA. From this, it can definitely be concluded that it is a segment of options DNA strand, second option mRNA strand, third option tRNA strand, fourth option data insufficient. Bolo.
Data insufficient.
Data insufficient. Perfect. Why? Because they have not mentioned whether it is DNA and RNA.
हाँ, और T और U में से भी कुछ नहीं है वहाँ पर.
हाँ, तो अपने को क्लियर पता नहीं चलता है. अगर जो मैं उधर ट्रांसफर आरएनए या एमआरएनए लिखती हूँ या डीएनए स्ट्रैंड लिखूंगी तो मेरे को आंसर रॉन्ग दे देंगे. तो बेटर आई शुड राइट डेटा इनसफिशिएंट. करेक्ट. The base sequence for a nucleic acid segment is given as this वाला था वो आंसर सेम. Purines of DNA are represented by uracil and thymine. Second option guanine and adenine. Third option uracil and cytosine. Fourth option thymine and cytosine.
Purines, right?
Yeah, purines.
Adenosine and guanosine.
Correct. Adenine and guanine. A nucleoside differs from a nucleotide in not having options: phosphate, sugar,
Phosphate.
nitrogen base. I think only you are answering. What's your good name? Kirti, na?
Yes, ma'am.
What, others are sleeping or what? Devika. Then who else was that? I told them last time they were sisters like Vedika, Devika, and all such things. Then genes are chemically polynucleotide, histones, lipoproteins, hydrocarbons.
Polynucleotide.
Perfect. The unit of recombination is option gene, recon, cistron, muton. ये तो last time था अपना इसमें.
Unit of
Recombination is
recon.
perfect. The genes are made up of histones, lipoproteins, nucleosides, polynucleotides.
Polynucleotides.
बोलो. Perfect. Polynucleotides. Perfect. Prachi, perfect. The term gene was coined by, ये हो चुका है ना, Johnson. DNA found in bacteria is dash DNA. Straight, helical, membrane bound, circular or free?
Free.
Circular, free is one option. Yeah?
Circular DNA.
Okay. In one of the following, ये क्या हो गया? In one of the following, the genes are not found in pairs or find the odd man out. Muscle, sperm cell, ovary, neuron.
Sperm cells.
Perfect. The word chromosome was coined by Johnson, Waldier, Watson, Morgan.
Morgan.
No, Morgan was for that. Linkage and crossing over.
Can you repeat?
The word chromosome was coined by Johnson, Waldier, Watson, Morgan. It's Waldier. Discovery of chromosome is credited against the name Strasburger. Correct? वो discovery है. The name, उसको नाम chromosome जो दिया वो Waldier है. How many pairs of nucleotides contain one turn of DNA?
10.
Perfect. In a nucleotide, the pentose sugar has phosphate attached to C1 and nitrogen base to C3. Nitrogen base to C1 and phosphate to C5. Nitrogen base to C1 and phosphate to C3. Phosphate to C1 and nitrogen base to C5.
Nitrogen base at C1 and phosphate at C5.
Perfect. DNA nucleotide differs from RNA nucleotide in dash. Options having U as a pyrimidine. Second option having ribose sugar. Third option having deoxyribose sugar. And fourth option is both A and B. DNA
Both A and B.
Both A and B. Having U as a pyrimidine. No idea. Because when you're comparing this way now, see here, DNA nucleotide differs from RNA nucleotide. So you have to keep standard about DNA. DNA को ध्यान में रखो. अगर DNA को ध्यान में रखो, having both A and B, having uracil as a pyrimidine, वो DNA में pyrimidine नहीं है, वो तो RNA में है ना. Correct? Then having ribose sugar, वो भी नहीं है, तो deoxyribose sugar है.
Deoxyribose sugar, हाँ.
तो that is out of question of both A and B तो हो गया, हट गया. अभी दो में से आपको find out करने का. That is DNA nucleotide differs from RNA nucleotide in. A भी गया, B भी गया. Both A and B भी गया, तो खाली एक ही बचा है. That is having deoxyribose sugar. Perfect. When it is differing from so and so, वो so and so को छोड़ दो, जो differ हो रहा है उसका character आपको देखने का है. Agreed? That is having deoxyribose sugar. DNA is having deoxyribose sugar. Yes or no? Okay. Next one. If a DNA has 20 adenine and 30 cytosine bases, it is having 20 adenine and 30 cytosine bases. What will be the total number of purine bases? Total number of purine. Bolo. Options are 20, 30, 50, 100.
50.
Perfect. But how?
Adenine and guanine are purine bases.
So
they are asking total purine bases, right?
the answer is perfect. 50. Because if it is 20 adenine and 30 cytosine, it has to be 30 guanine. It has to be 20 thymine. ये दोनों purines है, ये दोनों pyrimidines है, तो it is, sorry, ये दोनों pyrimidines है, ये दोनों purines है, तो it has to be 50. Correct? Considering the structure of DNA molecule as per the model given by Watson and Crick, which of the following is not true? Not true, huh? Ratio of guanine is to cytosine is 1. That is true. A plus G equal to T plus C. A and T, C plus G. That is also true. अभी not true पूछा है, हाँ? A plus T equal to G plus C. The sequence of nucleotides on one strand is complementary to the sequence of nucleotides on the other strand. That is also true. So considering the structure of DNA molecule, as per the model,
A
by
plus
Watson and
T
Crick,
is equals to G plus C is not true.
perfect. Because A is 20. अभी ऊपर वाला ही आप देखो ना. A is 20. T is
G
20.
can be 30.
30 plus 30. So it is 40 is not equal to 60. Perfect. So C option is not correct. Genetic material in viruses. Options: DNA, RNA. C option is DNA or RNA, and D option is
DNA
DNA
or
and
RNA.
RNA. Perfect. The modern multidiscipline combining applied branch of science with biology at the base, and which is enormously helpful in providing benefits to mankind and other forms of life, is popularly known as option bioethics, biotechnology, biopiracy, biowar.
Biotechnology.
Perfect. Biotechnology is aimed at providing goods and services through the use of application of options organisms. Second option, biological process and systems. Third option is cells and cell organelles. And the last option is all of the above.
All of the above.
Perfect. The heredity unit was described as Pengen by De Veres, Morgan, Johnson, Mendel. ये शायद अपना टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है. I'll just tell you, it was described as Pengen by De Veres. It is not there in a textbook, so don't break your head. Experimental proof for one gene, one enzyme hypothesis was provided by. Experimental proof for one gene, one enzyme was provided by. Bolo. Options are Benzer, Beadle and Tatum, Johnson and Morgan. ये अपना टेक्स्ट बुक में है. It is Beadle and Tatum. अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में है ये.
Ma'am, but it's not there in NCERT.
NCERT में नहीं है, अपना टेक्स्ट बुक में है ये. हाँ. The cistron recon mutant concept of gene was first put forward by Bedyl and Totem, D varies, Benzer, none.
Ma'am, repeat.
The cistron, recon, muton. Functional unit cistron. Recombinational unit recon. Mutational unit muton. The cistron, recon, muton concept of gene was put forth by Bedyl and Totem, D varies, Benzer, none.
Benzer.
Perfect. Gene as a unit of mutation is called as cistron, recon, mutant, none.
Mutant.
Oh, mutant, muton होता है, mutant नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
Correct. So mutant is basically the content which is capable of causing the mutation. जैसे pollutant, the one which is causing pollution. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So the right answer would be over here, muton. Recon represents gene as a unit of dash. Heredity, variation, function, recombination.
Recombination.
Gene as a unit of function is called as dash. Genome, genetic code, cistron, all of these.
All of this.
No. Gene as a unit of function is called as genome, genetic code, cistron, all of these. Genetic code तो gene थोड़ी होता है. Genome
Cistron.
भी gene नहीं है. Cistron, correct. Functional unit पूछा है ना. Next is according to the classical concept, crossing over is not possible between homologous chromosome, between the genes, within a gene at all.
Genes within a gene.
Within a gene, perfect. Linear arrangement of genes on the chromosomes was first reported by Morgan, Johnson, Mendel, Benzer.
Ma'am, repeat.
Linear arrangement of genes on the chromosomes was reported by Morgan, Johnson, Mendel, and Benzer.
Benzer.
नहीं, Morgan. Linear arrangement ना Drosophila का. Identify the Nobel Prize winners from the following: Benzer, Bedyl and Totem, Morgan, all.
Ma'am, repeat the options.
Identify Nobel Prize winners: Benzer, Bedyl and Totem, Morgan, all.
Bedyl and Totem.
सबको मिला था Nobel Prize, my dear.
Oh.
किसी न किसी काम के लिए. Which of the following are long chain polynucleotide biomolecules? Nucleotides, polypeptides, protein, nucleic acids, all of these.
Ma'am, repeat.
Which of the following are long chain polynucleotides? Nucleotides, polypeptide chain, nucleic acids, all of these.
Nucleic acids.
Perfect. One of the following is never present together in a virus. DNA and protein, DNA and RNA, RNA and protein, either A or B or C.
DNA and RNA.
Perfect. When present, which of the following acts as a non-genetic material in virus? DNA, RNA, both DNA and RNA, none.
RNA.
My dear, RNA is acting as a genetic material, no?
Does not, right? Then none.
When present, which of the following acts as non-genetic material in virus?
None of them, because one is present and that is genetic material.
Okay, so it is none of them. Perfect. Which of the following are always present together in a virus? DNA and protein, DNA and RNA, RNA and protein, either A or C.
A or C.
Perfect. Now, should we start with the new chapter? ये 60 तक हुआ है अपना. Correct? तो यही कंटिन्यू करने का है या वो न्यू चैप्टर का सिनॉप्सिस करूं अभी, फिर उसका एमसीक्यूज करेंगे अपन नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसा? 10 मिनट्स आ डेमो. बोलो. यही एमसीक्यूज कंटिन्यू करने का है, क्या करने का है बताइए? कंटिन्यू एमसीक्यूज ओनली. प्राची, ओके. तो अभी एमसीक्यूज इसका करूं या उसका करूं? इसका 60 हुआ, उसका
मैम
50 हुआ.
न्यू चैप्टर का सिनॉप्सिस करते हैं ना.
न्यू चैप्टर का सिनॉप्सिस करेंगे, चलेगा. जो बोलो, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. परफेक्ट. आई विल डू द सिनॉप्सिस, नो प्रॉब्लम. 116 पेज खोलो आपका. 116, दैट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. Perfect. We are doing synopsis of this chapter, that is photosynthesis now. Photosynthesis, in Greek, photos means light. Synthesis means putting together. Is an enzyme regulated anabolic process. Now be careful, while in your class when I taught you all, it is said to be anabolic and endergonic process because it is trapping the solar energy. Regulated anabolic process of manufacture of organic compounds inside the chlorophyll containing cells from carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight as a source of energy. CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of chlorophyll enzymes and radiant energy is forming C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Then historical summary of early photosynthetic research work. It has happened. Historical summary, you have to see it. Stephen Hales recognized the importance of sunlight, air, and green leaves for nourishment of plants. Joseph Priestley found that the burning candle would soon get extinguished in closed space of a bell jar. Similarly, a mouse kept in a closed space would soon get suffocated and die. However, when a mint plant accompanied them in the bell jar, neither the candle extinguished nor the mouse died. The plant also grew. Priestley therefore hypothesized that foul air or phlogiston produced during burning of candle or animal mice respiring could be converted into pure air by dehuffuston by plants itself, that is a mint, because mint was doing the process of photosynthesis. As it was doing the photosynthesis process, it was liberating oxygen. That oxygen was taken up by the mice, and so the mice was alive. The mice was again respiring, removing carbon dioxide, which was taken up by the plants. Aisa. Jan Ingenhousz is in his experiment with an aquatic plant showed that the bright sunlight, small bubbles were formed around the green plants, while in dark such bubbles did not form. He found that these bubbles to be of oxygen. He thus confirmed that purification of air or formation of dephagoston is carried out by the green plants only in the presence of sunlight. Seniber emphasized that the rate of purification of air by green plant depends upon the concentration of the foul air. Von Meyer proved that green plants convert solar energy into chemical energy during the process of photosynthesis. Julius von Schaas demonstrated that parts in the plant produce glucose, which is stored as starch. Starch is the first visible product of photosynthesis. Engelmann split light into components by the prism and then illuminated cladophora, a green algae placed in a suspension of aerobic bacteria, that is the bacteria which is capable of taking the atmospheric oxygen. He found that bacteria accumulated in the region of blue and red light on the split spectrum. He thus discovered the effect of different wavelengths of light on photosynthesis and plotted the first action spectrum, photosynthesis. Blackman propounded the law of principle of limiting factors. He also proposed the occurrence of dark phase in photosynthesis. Warburg first employed chlorella, a unicellular non-motile green alga, for studying photosynthesis. He studied the effects of high oxygen concentration, poisons like cyanide, and light flashes on photosynthesis. Van Niel, on the basis of his experiments, of his experimental studies with purple and green sulfur bacteria, demonstrated that photosynthesis is a light-dependent reaction in which hydrogen from the oxidable compound reduces carbon dioxide to form sugar. 2H2A plus carbon dioxide will give us 2A plus CH2O plus H2O. In green sulfur bacteria, when hydrogen sulfide instead of water was used as hydrogen donor, no oxygen was evolved. He inferred that oxygen evolved by green plant comes from the water, but not from carbon dioxide, and as thought earlier. He stated that the evolution of oxygen occurs in the light reaction performed by isolated immunized chloroplast in the presence of suitable electron acceptors and absence of carbon dioxide. Rubin, Hasid, and Kamen demonstrated that oxygen evolved during photosynthesis comes from water and not from carbon dioxide. For this, they used water with heavy isotope, that is oxygen, that is 18O. Arnon discovered that photosynthesis also showed the fixation of Please unmute yourself. Sorry, please mute yourself. Arnon et al. Discovered photophosphorylation also showed fixation of carbon dioxide by previously eliminated isolated chloroplast by using radioactive carbon, that is C14, in carbon dioxide. Kelvin traced the pathway of carbon fixation by using C14CO2 and gave the C3 cycle, now known after him as Kelvin cycle. Kelvin was awarded Nobel Prize for this in 1960. Emerson found red drops and photosynthetic enhancement in or Emerson effect. Hill and Bendel proposed Z scheme of two photosystems. Please remove this Z term and write N, capital N. Z पहला रहता था, अभी capital N हो गया. Hatch and Slack discovered supplementary mechanism of carbon dioxide fixation called as C4 pathway in certain tropical plants, grasses and non-grasses. Huber et al. Crystallized and analyzed the photocenter of rhodobacteria through diffraction technique. They were awarded Nobel Prize in 1988. ये किसका चल रहा है? Please stop your volume. Mute yourself. Then raw materials of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide. In land plants, carbon dioxide is obtained from the atmosphere through stomata. Small quantities of carbonates are also absorbed from the soil through roots. Then hydrophytes get their carbon dioxide supply from the aquatic environment as biocarbonates. मेरा स्क्रीन को हैंग कर दिया है. As biocarbonates through their general surface. Moll's half-leaf experiment showed that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Water. It is in the process of photosynthesis, the source of liberated oxygen is water. The photosynthetic land plants absorb a large amount of water from the soil through the root hair. but relatively very small amount of this absorbed water, that is about 1%, is used in the process of photosynthesis. Aquatic photosynthetic plants absorb water through their aquatic body surface. In 1937, demonstrated that Robin Hill demonstrated that in absence of carbon dioxide, isolated chloroplast of Strela media produced oxygen when they were eliminated in the presence of hydrogen acceptor, namely ferric cyanide. Here, ferric cyanide is reduced to ferrocyanide by photolysis of water. This is Hill's reaction and can be represented as 2A plus 2H2O in the presence of light and chloroplast gave us 2AH2 plus O2. Here A represents hydrogen acceptor. Here the hydrogen acceptor is often called as the Hill's oxidant or Hill reagent. In plants, NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, acts as a hydrogen acceptor. 2-NADP plus 2H2O in the presence of light and chlorophyll pigment is forming 2-NADPH positive ion plus 2H positive ion plus O2, a gas. In 1941, by using non-radioactive heavy isotope of oxygen, that is 18O, Rubin and Kamen proved that during photosynthesis, oxygen comes from the water molecule. Then light. Light is visible part of the electromagnetic radiation. ये वाला तो इक्वेशन हम लोग ने क्लास में किया था 6CO2 plus 12H2O, correct, in the presence of light and chlorophyll pigment is giving us C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 618O2. Light is the visible part of the electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiations are the form of energy that consists of stream of tiny particles called as photons, which travels in waves. Sunlight or solar radiation reaching the earth have wavelengths between 300 nanometer in the ultraviolet range to 2600 nanometer in the infrared range. But part of the spectrum used in photosynthesis, that it has a wavelength between 400 to 700 nanometer. It is called as photosynthetically active radiation, that is PAR. Leaves appear green because chlorophyll does not absorb green light, but allow the same to be reflected and transmitted to the leaves. The energy contained in a photon is termed as quantum. The energy content of a quantum is related to its wavelength. The shorter the wavelength, the greater is the energy present in the quantum. The quantum energy is represented in the unit as the shorter wavelength, the greater is the energy present in the quantum. Quantum energy is measured in the unit as Einstein. 80 to 90% of the light falling on the leaves is absorbed by them. The rest is reflected and transmitted. Most of the absorption occurs in red and the blue regions. Blue and the red regions of the light spectrum are the most effective in photosynthesis. Blue wavelengths of the light carry more energy, while red wavelengths carry lesser energy. The most efficient wavelength of the light effective in photosynthesis is that of the red light. Green light is the least effective in photosynthesis. The light transmitted by the tree canopy is rich in green light. Therefore, plants growing under the canopy of the others have lower rates of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are green plastids which occur in all the green parts of the plant. They are the actual sites of photosynthesis. Do you want me to continue? Time is up or there?
Ma'am, next lecture में continue करते हैं please.
Next lecture? अभी कितना बजा है? टाइम हो गया क्या आपका?
1:02.
Okay. Then next lecture we are going to start from page number 118.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
But please, you are going to read this. We'll finish the MCQ, then we'll go for the respiration unit.
मैम
हाँ जी.
मुझे ना डेट्स और ये साइंटिस्ट के नेम्स के लिए थोड़ा वो प्रॉब्लम होता है.
कौन सा? Dates and scientists का names. कौन से चैप्टर का? कि थ्रू आउट?
थ्रू आउट.
Then you give me some time, I'll prepare that list. I think I must have prepared and kept it. मेरे पास होगा, मेरे को खाली चेक करना पड़ेगा मेरा हार्ड डिस्क वगैरह में किधर ना किधर, अगर जो मिल जाता है तो वो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर मैं बना दूंगी and then I'll give it to you. ठीक है?
Ma'am, for me,
Who is that? Who wanted that list? Scientist का?
I am Saranya.
हाँ?
कीर्ति
Saranya, student.
कीर्ति and
Saranya.
Sarenya. Okay.
Ma'am, even I want it.
That boy, your name?
Abhishek Shukla.
शुक्ला. I'll write शुक्ला only. क्या और भी कोई शुक्ला है?
Ma'am, no, I'm Shukla.
Okay, then I'll tell sir accordingly. मैं बनाएगी तो मैं सर को भेजूंगी आपको भेजने के लिए. ठीक है?
जी मैम.
Okay. Done. Bye.